only attribute, you can only read the text in input field. In read only attribute, you cannot edit the text input field. Read only attribute is supported by text, search, URL, telephone, email, password, date, month, week, time, date, time, local, number, text area elements. Select element doesn't support read only attribute. So basically read only attribute, how it works we will see in the editor. So here first, input field without read only attribute, read only attribute. Now we will first define the label, name, for name, and input element, input type equals to text, name is also name, value is also name. Okay, so this is the input field without read only attribute. Now next one is input field with read only attribute. First we will define the label, label is name, for name, input type equals to type text, name, value name, and it is with the read only attribute, so we will use the read only. Now you can see it is coming in the suggestion also read only, so we will use this attribute, right? And now this. Okay, so above is that input field without read only attribute, and this is the input field with read only attribute. Okay, so you can see the difference once we run this program, then you can see the difference between the read only attribute and without read only attributes, right? Okay, so we will save this file and now we will run this in our browser. You can see that above is the input field without read only attribute, and below input field with read only attribute. Without read only attribute you can edit, but with read only attribute you cannot make any change, you cannot edit this input field. So this is the basic difference between without read only attribute and with read only attribute, and this functionality basically used in the forms. Once we create the form in the HTML, we make the form in HTML, then we use this read only attribute